Are you tired of that constant ringing or buzzing in your ears? Tinnitus can be a relentless, frustrating condition, impacting your sleep, focus, and overall peace of mind. You're not alone, and you might be wondering if there's finally a solution that actually works. Today, we're diving deep into Zen Cortex for tinnitus relief, a product that's gaining attention in the tinnitus community. Is it just hype, or can it truly bring you relief? If you're dealing with tinnitus, you probably know how challenging it can be. That constant ringing can make it almost impossible to enjoy silence, focus on conversations, or even relax at the end of the day. And if you've tried other remedies, you may have been disappointed. Pills, therapies, and devices often fall short of their promises, leaving you back at square one or worse, feeling like there's no hope for relief. You deserve better than coping mechanisms or just live with it advice. The search for a real solution is frustrating and exhausting. And let's face it, you don't want to waste more time or money on products that just don't deliver. So, what makes Zen Cortex different? This supplement is designed specifically to address the root causes of tinnitus. It combines key natural ingredients known for supporting healthy blood flow, calming nerve signals, and reducing inflammation, all of which are crucial in managing tinnitus symptoms. Ingredients like ginkgo biloba, magnesium, and B-complex vitamins are included to support brain and nerve health, while antioxidants help fight the oxidative stress that can make tinnitus worse. But does it really work? Early reviews from customers who've tried Zen Cortex are promising, with many reporting noticeable reductions in ringing and an overall improvement in their quality of life. Some users even mention finally being able to sleep soundly again, something they thought was lost forever. So, is Zen Cortex the right choice for your tinnitus relief? It could be, if you're ready to try a supplement with ingredients backed by research and a growing number of positive reviews. Consider giving Zen Cortex a try. But remember, everyone's experience is different, so stay informed, track your results, and give it some time to see if it makes a difference for you. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to learn more or order your first bottle of Zen Cortex. Don't let tinnitus control your life. Take the first step toward relief today. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more health tips and honest reviews.